Hello, so now I'm going to present the semi-autonomous solution. So now we are going to incorporate the MIA hand with a camera on top of it and of course the MINDROVE, the EMG device. The idea here it is to automate the process in order to reduce the cognitive burden of the users or of the amputees. Thus, we want to reduce the fatigue that the user may experience while it is using this wall technology. What we have here, it is that the camera mounted on the MIA hand here, actually it has some object detection algorithms like the YOLO. It is an object detector where we use it's a nano model in order to detect different objects. YOLO, it is a model trained on the COCO dataset. It contains approximately 50 to 60 different classes. So we're going to use it in order to detect a bottle, for example. So basically the idea here, it is to detect the object, to estimate its estimation. So if it is in a vertical or horizontal pose, in order to fix the wrist accordingly. Thus, if the object it is at the horizontal pose of it, the wrist will go on top. If the bottle it is at this vertical pose, the wrist will go by the right side. Finally, the final decision for the grasp will still be given from the user. So the user still has the main control. The user can send the execution grasp by doing this gesture, so by using its own two fingers, while in order to relax again the grasp, so to perform the open grasp, the user can just relax his hand and the MIA hand will follow accordingly. Now we're going to see an example where we use this technology and we apply voice recognition as well. So we are going to communicate with a system with the voice commands. We're going to start the system, set the targeted object, and then restart the system or exit it.
I am ready to start.
Please start the system.
Starting the system. Please say the target object.
Search for a bottle.
I am going to send the object, bottle. Restarting the system. I am ready to start.
As we saw, now we have grasped the bottle successfully. And of course, we can leave it with having our hand relaxed. And now we can terminate this system by saying exit.
Goodbye.
So, we saw that the system with the camera was able to detect the bottle, and based on its vertical orientation, it correctly adjusted the robotic hand to be on its right side, and I approached the bottle, and with this gesture, the MIA hand was able to do a full grasp in order to take successfully the bottle, the plastic bottle. Then, in order to leave it free, I just had my hand relaxed and the MIA hand opened. As you saw, the entire communication between the user and the system was done via voice commands in order to preserve a human-robot interaction. I could start the system, I could determine which object I should find and I would like to grasp. Then the system was able to detect the bottle and perform its grasp. And finally, I could use the exit command via the voice command in order to terminate the process. And this is a fully conducted test for the full grasp or cylindrical grasp.